Hi TJ, my name is Jeff and I'm a co-founder of Logo Leads, and I believe you spoke with my wife Megan recently about a quick website audit to show you where your company is ranking currently and what your competitors are doing to claim the top spots on Google. So in this video I'm just going to go over a couple easy ways to beat your competition online. Now we know that most business owners are extremely busy and they don't have time to handle all the marketing needs, the true marketing needs of their business. So we started making these videos to help out other small business owners and really help propel your new clients and your sales forward. If you have questions or if you'd like to discuss this any further, we'd love to hop on a call and talk. But either way, please use this video to better your website and better your digital presence. It's 100% yours to keep. So the three things I wanted to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. These are the three pillars of a successful digital marketing campaign. Now, to be considered an authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. I do have it pulled up here, and just taking a look, it's pretty minimal. You can do a couple different tabs here, but I'm showing it's probably going to be somewhere between 200 words, less than 200 words. So you do want to be up to that 1,500 to 2,000 word range. Now Google reads everything from the actual wording on the page to the text that's in your images to how your images are saved. All of that Google is able to read. Now, as far as your website goes, I can tell a lot of time and effort and money have been poured into it because it looks very, very professional and it's very easy to navigate. I really like the design, the layout, the picture that you have up here. You got your, and I apologize, I'm currently at the beach, so if you hear a plane trying to record this while we're on vacation. But yes, you have your logo up here in the top left-hand corner, and you do have a dedicated services page. Now, I did want to draw this to your attention because what we have noticed for the most successful websites is a dedicated page to each of your services, not just a services page. So going to each of these services, roofing, foundation repairs, and creating a separate page for them. Now on those pages, you want to shoot for something like 500 to 1,000 words. And again, you're going to want that to be chock full of keyword rich, very high buyer intent keywords. And that's going to be things like concrete repair Dallas, bathroom remodeling Dallas, Texas. Those are the things that are going to propel you to the top of the searches whenever people are looking for those services. The other thing that I wanted to go over with you is your page optimization for your website. Now, I only did your home page, but I use this tool called Page Insights. It's run actually by Google, and what they do is they rate how easily your page loads for any users. So this 12 is out of 100, and basically what that means is that you have a lot of delays in the loading time of your page, your home page, and Google actually will penalize you for that. So you will show up less frequently and less further from the top because your page loads slowly. So it does have some suggestions in here on how to optimize that. So you're more than welcome to use this tool. Again, it's called Page Speed Insights. Now, the other thing I wanted to talk to you about today is something called backlinks. The thing with Google is that it can be like a popularity contest because they judge you based on how many websites are pointing back at you. Now, it's very important to remember not all backlinks are created equal, so you're going to get a lot more influence from a backlink that is from something like a reputable home improvement blog that mentions your company, or a popular website that features various types of concrete pouring techniques because it has something to do with the services you offer, as opposed to something like a Domino's or a Macy's that has absolutely nothing to do with your business. So a tool that we use, it's called Ahrefs. I'll go ahead and pull yours up here. As you can see, you have two total backlinks from one referring domain, and that's generating zero traffic, so it looks like you're getting minimal to no traffic actually going to your website, and this is over a monthly time frame. What I did want to do is I wanted to show you how your competition stacks up against you. So one of your top competitors for the Dallas market is Dallas Bathroom Remodeling from Statewide Remodeling. And you can see here they have 27 backlinks from 14 domains, and what that's doing is it's actually driving 452 people to their website on a monthly basis. So even if they convert a percentage of that, that's additional money in their pocket based on the amount of revenue you receive per job. So yeah, what we would do is we would go in and you would want to just replicate the backlinks that they're getting, and then you would want to add even more backlinks. And then essentially by the time that your competition realizes what you've done, you've already well surpassed them, and you just keep on adding backlinks to stay on the top, and they'll just be chasing you from that point forward. Now, one last thing I wanted to discuss with you is something called citations. It is very important because essentially what that drives is something called the Google Map Pack. So whenever you do any kind of searching, so we'll do concrete, Dallas, Texas, and this nice little map view pops up here. This is going to be what drives a lot of business to a website, because people aren't going to scroll past it more often than not. So they'll click on one of these top options here. Citations are what gets you into this map pack, and it's essentially just your business name, address, and phone number listed in the various directories across the internet. So Yelp, Facebook, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Home Advisor, all those different directories. If your name shows up there, then you'll start to show up there in the map pack. And same strategy, build it in with the same links, add a 20%, 30% cushion, then you're just cruising to the top of that page and getting all that business. So there's a lot more that goes into it, but I just wanted to give you kind of a high-level view of what goes into digital marketing for your website. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to give us a call, and thank you so much again for taking the time to watch the video.